Oh, the key of C is an easy key. It has no sharps or flats, you see. If you add a flat key, a sharp, or a flat key, like magic, it will change before you know. Here's the key of F. Its entire song, your hand is not going to be in C position in the right hand. It's going to be in C minor position. So from the very beginning, go ahead and put your 3 finger on that E flat. There's my A. Where would I go up to for the very, very next note? Is that the very next note? No, do you see? That note is the very, very next note. This is an A. That's our middle B. Yes. Do you think we could play a B flat? First, let's find our middle B. Where would middle B be? Where would it be B? You ready? Is that our middle B? And then when we play B flat, it gives 2. It has a little more work to do. A slug plus a dot, that equals 3. A dotted half note is its name, you see. Our rests have great names, they're lots of fun. Mr. Rest is a quarter rest. He gets how many total beats in a 4/4 measure? 4 beats. And it feels like watermelon. 1, 2, 3, 4. The beat is the bug, and the others play along. 1, 2, 3. It's done. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1. Rolling is legato. Play the smooth song. Nice. Stand up. You ready? Bounce the caterpillar. Here we go. C's, D's, E's. Let's start with our do. Baby step up to re. Baby step up to me. And now we're going to do pop with just our right hand while we play a 2 in the left hand, new bubble. 1 in a rush and 2 in a rush, and the third, oh, lady pops under. We're gonna scratch, ready? Scratch, scratch. Kitty, kitty, casket, my green and yellow basket. Let's go fast. I lost my handkerchief just the other day. Fun song that's gonna help us learn the treble clef spaces. Sing with me. The treble clef spaces are easy. I am getting 3rd G. Alouette. Let's do one more, and let's make this one be a quarter note. What would we have to do to it? Let's start with the circle part, and we can even add our stem. What would we need to do to it to make it be a quarter note? Can we color it in? All right, here's the next one. What do you see now? What did he put on the board? It's a A. Oh, it's way low. Do you hear how low? That's because we're in the bass A. Ooh, what about E? G. Ready, set. Hey, and he even cleaned up our room for us. I'm just so tired. I'm just gonna close my eyes for just a minute. Oh. Oh my goodness. We are not in our classroom anymore. We're outside under a night sky of twinkling stars. I must be asleep, and I'm dreaming. The music that we're listening to was composed by this guy, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. We landed in Germany. Have you ever been to Germany before? The houses here look a little bit different. Do you know why I wanted us to come to Germany? It's because my most favorite composer is this guy. Have you ever seen him before? His name is Ludwig van Beethoven. Does our night help end our problem section? And now we're in the ballroom. Oh my goodness, we're trying to skate. That's hard to skate. We're rink. Have you ever been ice skating before? Is it hard to skate? Do you hear when he falls down? Do you hear him falling down?